Good morning, my dear friends. I am Dr. Joseph. As we are children, we walked and thought like a children. As we grew up, we learned by looking into the nature. And we know that the formula of fittest of survival. Viruses and bacteria increase resistance power day by day when the same type of medicine is given to all, and we call it as standardized medicine. So it's easy for bacteria to come over it. WHO has warned in next few years antibiotics will be nothing, it will be gone. So what's next? Nothing to afraid. We have Ayurveda, which is the origin of all the system of medicine. What does it tell then? Treatment is given according to Desha, Kala, Vaya, Sattva, Satmya. So treatment of two people of same disease will not be the same alike. Turn towards the mother nature. She will say why this happens. We are using DDT for ants, but it gained resistance. How long one can take beating? It may be virus or bacteria. It will come and it will rebound one day and it create the resistance. We have made all the bacteria as our enemy. We have been doing research for last 25 years and not able to find a single antibiotics till date. We are not able to find antiviral drugs, powerful antiviral drugs, and we are going to create vaccine. Bacteria in our body is around about 2 kg body weight. We know that corona is in harmony in bats, malaria, parasite is safe in mosquito, Kayasnur forest disease is safe in monkey. When it enters into the human beings, why it comes deadly? Because we have lost all our good bacteria and viruses by the extensive usage of antibiotics. I am not telling that we should not use antibiotics, but we have to curb the excessive use of it. Nowadays, what happens? Even for a smallest fever, smallest thing, we put on them with third generation antibiotics. So what will happen? It will have a greater regression in the beginning, but every chances of getting re-attack. In London, they have a beautiful criteria where after 5 days only they give antibiotics, that to a lower end only. Henceforth, drug resistance will not be that much severe. India is the largest consumer of antibiotics. We have to turn towards nature and we have to understand. If we consider each and every viruses and bacteria as our enemy, you know that bacteria and viruses are n in number, numerous. How much antibiotics are you able to create? We are not able to create a single antibiotics in last 25 years, and yet we are telling that bacteria is harmful, virus is harmful. Even though in bats and mosquito, in all the animals, it is in harmony. They rear in their intestinal stomach, but we have lost it because of our food system, because of our antibiotics, because of our thought process. As we are greedy, we have lost many good bacteria and viruses, which would have been a help, which would have been in a harmony with us. Even corona would have been a harmony with us. What we have done actually? We are going far from nature. We are not following the rules of nature. We are going against the nature. We are considering each and every one